Welcome, this is your Investitute Volatility Sonar, and I'm Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. The market's down today, but even when it was up yesterday, we saw a big rally out of the VIX. On Tuesday afternoon, the March future went out, offered at 12:30. Since that point, the market is actually up in the S&P 500, but the VIX future is also up about $1. When you get to these very low levels, anything can bounce the market off of what is perceived as a VIX bottom. So we had the print, the VIX print, which came in much higher than expected, but those are real S&P 500 contracts being purchased at a real level. So the 1226 print, which was over $1 higher than where the VIX cash was, has a big impact on the market because that's a lot of Vega out there being purchased. So you have the print go up much higher than everyone's expecting, and then the VIX cash in turn follows because that becomes the new price for S&P options, which drive the VIX futures. In today's trading, we've had a lot of traders coming for weekly options. Now, weekly options are especially in demand right now because there are 4 expirations before the standard March expiration. So a trader who thinks that the VIX might spike now has a lot of incentive to play weeklies rather than play the March, which expires March 22nd. They can buy February 22nd calls, which is what we're seeing in big size. On Wednesday, the big trade was to buy the 20 calls in the Feb 22nd, paying a nickel. Today, they're buying the 16 calls, February 22nd expiring. They bought 10,000 of the 16 calls. They're paying 15 cents on those, and they've bought 9,000 so far. We're also seeing traders play the March 1st expiration. At the end of the day yesterday, a trader bought the 12-13 risk reversal, buying the 13 call in the March 1st expiration, selling the 12 put, taking risk to the downside, but seeing an opportunity to buy upside protection above the 13 level March 1st. They bought that 10,000 times. They paid 25 cents. We're seeing some big traders come in, play weekly options, betting on a VIX spike well before March 22nd expiration. They're buying the much more price-sensitive weekly options closer to expiration. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Investitute Volatility Sonar.